Hello everyone and welcome back to my new another English video. Today I am going to talk about my daily routine. Now I am standing uh, the rice field. My village is very beautiful because my village everyone called it green village. Okay, so let's jump to our topic. Uh, I woke up at 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock. First of all, I get out of my bed. Then I wash my face with cold water. Okay. After washing my face, uh, I brush my teeth. Then uh, I I do my morning salah, Fajr salah. After doing my morning salah, uh, I read the Holy Quran about 30 minutes. Uh, After reading the Holy Quran, I take a shower. After taking a shower, I eat my breakfast. Uh, I I don't like tea and coffee, uh, so I don't eat don't eating it. So after mm, after eating my breakfast, I get ready uh, for uh, going to the school. After uh, getting ready, I go to the uh, college. Currently, I am doing my honors at Gurudel Group College. So I go to the college uh, in by Gurudel Group College bus. Okay. Uh, After going to the college, I meet my friends. After meeting my friends, I eat fuchka or jhalmuri with my collaborators. After eating jhalmuri or fuchka, uh, mm, I come in my house. After coming my house, uh, I I take a rest. After taking a rest, uh, I have my dinner. After having my dinner, everyone, good night. Allah Hafiz.